Hey everybody, today we're making super simple recipe, and that's candied bacon, or bacon candy, sometimes called pig candy. And what you want to do is use good bacon, use a nice thick bacon, and basically there's two ingredients here, bacon and brown sugar. So we're just going to put our pieces of bacon in the brown sugar here. We're going to break them apart a little bit. Pull each piece apart because we want to make sure we get this covered real good. And we're going to seal this up. And we're going to shake. Just want a good generous coat on there. Now that we got our bacon coated, we're just going to lay it out in the pan. And you notice I'm using tin foil here with a little parchment paper underneath because this is going to be a much easier cleanup. And if you've ever cooked brown sugar or any kind of sugar, it really has a tendency to stick to the pan after it's cooked. You would think this would come off real easy just because it's sugar, but once it gets brown, it kind of almost burns on and sticks to the pan pretty good. So if you've cleaned that up once, you'll understand why you want to use foil for this kind of cleanup. And you can see some pieces have more brown sugar than others, so we're just going to go make sure they're all coated real well. Okay, there you go. So what we're going to do now, we got the oven preheating to 350. We're going to cook these for about 45 minutes, and we're going to flip them halfway. So you're going to have about 45 minutes of cook time. Really, the cook time is going to depend on how crispy you really like bacon. Okay, the oven's preheated to 350. We're going to get these in here, and we will check those in about 20 minutes, probably flip them. Okay, we're at the 20-minute mark. Look at that bubbling. All right, we're flipping these. So we're just going to go one by one here and just flip them right over. And there we go. So put these in for about another 20 minutes. See how crispy they are. Okay, those look done. We're going to get them on out of the oven. All right, so these are done. We're going to move these right over to our rack and let these cool. When these harden up, they're going to be nice and crispy. Okay, we're going to let these set about 5 minutes. Oh man, look at those. A couple more minutes, we're going to let them cool. Those look delicious. Okay, so these have been cooling about 5 minutes. Look. Look how hard those are. So total cook time, this was in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. I flipped them, then I took them out at about the 10-minute mark. So really, I only cooked them for about 30 minutes total. Because with the brown sugar, they do get dark fast. And like I said at the beginning, this is all a judgment call. Depends on how crispy you like your bacon. These aren't quite as crispy. These are crispy. Look how rigid that is. And look. Oh man, look at that. We should probably taste this. You know, I say all the time, bacon never made anything worse. But who knew it could get better? Wow. Wow. Great bacon flavor with the chewy, sugary goodness of brown sugar. Wow. These turned out actually better than I thought. So, hope you try these at home. Hope you enjoy. Please go ahead and like my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And check out my other videos. I got some really great cooking videos. So, cheers.